Now we need to check the the COGO option. We have divide. We can divide any line we need between a segment or distance. Just let us say choose between 1 and number 2. And we need to divide to 3 segments. Just press divide. Now if we come to CAD, do refresh. We will see that it create for us a 2 point 23 and 22 between 1 and 22 equal to 22 and 23 equal to 23 and point 2. We'll see in COGO also the inverse. It will let us check the difference between 2 points, between point 1 and let us say current location, and we press calculate. It will show how much horizontal distance, vertical distance, slope distance, and the slope in percentage. In area, here we can choose point number 5, then point number 4, then point number 3. It will give us directly the area. If we go to point number 2, it will calculate the area we choose.